हम लाते हैं टॉक शोज और अनलिमिटेड एंटरटेनमेंट सिर्फ यूट्यूब पर। अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन।
Land-based service branch of the Pakistan Armed Forces. It came into existence after the independence of Pakistan in 1947. According to the International Institute for Strategic Studies, IISS, it had an active force of approximately 644,000 active personnel as of 2015. In Pakistan, there is 16-23 years of age for voluntary military service. Soldiers cannot be deployed for combat until age 18. Pakistan Army has started inducting women as commissioned officers. Pakistani Air Force and Pakistani Navy have inducted their first female pilots and sailors in 2012. See details at Women in the Pakistan Armed Forces. Since its establishment in 1947, the Army has been involved in 4 wars with neighboring India and several border skirmishes with Afghanistan. Since 1947, it has also maintained a strong presence along with its inter-services in the Arab states during the past Arab-Israeli wars, and aided the coalition in the First Gulf War. Recently, major joint operations undertaken by the Army include Black Thunderstorm and Operation Path to Salvation. The Army has also been an active participant in United Nations peacekeeping missions, including playing a major role in rescuing trapped U.S. soldiers in Operation Gothic Serpent in 1993. Under Article 243 of the Constitution of Pakistan, the President is appointed the civilian Commander-in-Chief. The Chief of Army Staff, COAS, by statute a 4-star general, is appointed by the President with the consultation and confirmation needed from the Prime Minister. The Pakistan Army is currently commanded by General Qamar Javed Bajwa. There are several battalions or units associated together in an infantry regiment. The infantry regiment in the Pakistani Army is an administrative military organization and not a field formation. All the battalions of a regiment do not fight together as one formation, but are dispersed over various formations, viz. brigades, divisions and corps. An infantry battalion serves for a period of time under a formation and then moves to another, usually in another sector or terrain when its tenure is over. Occasionally, battalions of the same regiment may serve together for a tenure. The Pakistan Army has always played an integral part in local politics since its inception, mainly on the pretext of lack of good civilian leadership, corruption, and inefficiency. It has virtually acted as a third party that has repeatedly seized power in the name of stabilizing Pakistan and ending corruption. However, according to the political observers, political instability, lawlessness and corruption are direct consequences of army rule. The tradition of insubordination of the army towards the legitimate leadership can be traced back to Lieutenant Gen. Frank Messervy, who resisted the orders of Pakistan's founding father Muhammad Ali Jinnah. This was described as the main reason for his early retirement. However, it did not prevent him being honored and promoted to general. Later, Douglas Gracie, the CNC of the Pakistan Army, did not send troops to the Kashmir front and refused to obey the order to do so given by Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Governor-General of Pakistan. Gracie argued that Jinnah as Governor-General represented the British Crown, of which he himself was an appointee. The same tradition was continued by their successors, Ayub Khan, Zia and Musharraf, all of whom received honors instead of being tried for indiscipline, corruption and insubordination. The Army runs the largest real estate business in Pakistan under the auspices of defense housing societies and other welfare societies. However, out 46 housing schemes directly built by the armed forces, none is for ordinary soldiers or civilian officers and personnel employed by the Army. The Army is also engaged in other corporate activities such as stud and dairy farms meant for the Army's own use. Others enterprises perform functions in local civilian economy such as bakeries, security services and banking. Army factories produced such goods as sugar, fertilizer, and brass castings and sold them to civilian consumers, albeit at prices higher than those charged for military personnel. Pakistan military has the biggest share in Pakistan Stock Exchange. It operates commercial bank, airline, steel, cement, telecom, petroleum and energy, education, sports, healthcare and even chains of grocery shops and bakeries. Several Army organizations operate in the commercial sector across the country. For example, the National Logistics Cell was responsible for trucking food and other goods across the country, the Frontier Works organization built the Karakoram Highway to China, and the Special Communication Organization maintained communications networks in remote parts of Pakistan.
मज़ीद न्यूज़, एंटरटेनमेंट और मालूमाती वीडियो के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल लैया न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलें ताकि आपको हर न्यू वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। हमारे फेसबुक पेज को लाइक करें, हमारे फेसबुक ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।